Hello everybody! As next I like to show you how easy it is to assemble or to connect the Qpol Go to the Qpol 300M machine. For that, move the machine a little bit forward or put it on a separate bench. We have here our machine put on a separate bench. As next, remove the cover from this part. Insert the Qpol Go inside this hole. The next steps are to do on the back side of the machine. In the first step, fasten this screw . And also screw that is inside the machine. Connect this cable to this plug. Connect compressed air to the Qpol Go. The connection is to find here. Then activate the Qpol Go head in the machine settings. This activation needs to be done only on Qpol 300M1 or Qpol 300M2. Any activation on the Qpol 250M machines is not needed. All other steps are the same like we have shown you here. And that's all. You can start now to use the Qpol Go.